Hi everyone, here are the most common mistakes people make when using a 1xBet promo code and how to avoid them. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the four available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. First of all, entering the wrong code or adding a space. Always copy and paste. So for instance, if we click to registration, for example by email, in the promo code section, the best thing to do is to copy and paste instead of simply write BUTV, for example, because by mistake you can put BUTW and the code will not be available. Second mistake, trying to use an expired code. Check the validity date first. Third, not meeting the minimum deposit requirement. Without that, the bonus won't activate. 4. Forgetting the wagering rules. You must play through the bonus before withdrawing. Fifth mistake, using a code from a fake website. Stick to official sources or trusted partners. So, avoiding this, you'll claim your bonus without any problem. And if this video was useful for you, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.